Hello, my name is Megan Deal, and this is my animation assignment submission. So for this assignment, I have a keyframe animation and a procedural animation. For the procedural animation, I have this mannequin right here. I imported the Banana Man asset from the Unity Asset Store, and this is a fully rigged asset with an armature. As you can see, it has all the different necessary bones for rigging. So I used that for the procedural animation, and then I used this Shiba Inu for the keyframe animation that comes with a couple different um, animations here. So it has this play dead, roll over, shake, sit, and standing. And for this example, I just used the sitting and standing. So my example, I have it sitting in a loop, and then when I approach the Shiba Inu, it'll stand. So I'm going to demonstrate these examples. So you can see on startup, the mannequin is reaching its arm out. It comes from the starting position to this reaching out position, like it's asking for something. And then the Shiba Inu over here is in this sitting position. I guess that would be its idle position. And then as I approach, uh, it will stand in a moment here. And there you go, it's standing. So the scripts that I use for this, I use the forward kinematic script and the proximity to animate scripts that are provided in the class. So the proximity to animate gets the position of the animator, which is the dog, and the effector, which is the XR origin in this case. So as the XR origin approaches the dog, it will change the status of this standing boolean from false to true, and then the sitting from true to false. And when I go away from the dog, it will go back to the sitting position, so it'll set sitting to true and standing to false. And you can also see that here. So the sitting to sitting, sitting is true, sitting to standing, standing is set to true, and then standing to sitting, standing is false. So that's how that works. And then the Banana Man, I have the forward kinematic script, and this applies the movement based on the target transforms and the starting and ending rotations. So based on the example provided in class, I created these two different instances of the Banana Man object that are not visible. So the first one is just an exact copy, and then the second one has the right shoulder, right arm, right forearm, and right hand moved to the ideal end positions that show that reaching out position. And I changed the animation time to 5 seconds so that you can better see the animation. So we'll just show that again. And that is my submission for the animation assignment.